Morning everyone. It is 6:42 a.m. on Tuesday, the 11th of January. I'm very tired. I've not been asleep yet, but I'm up in 20 minutes to get ready for college. Good times. So I apologise for looking a bit grim and a bit, yeah, but I thought I haven't done a vlog yet, so I thought I'd do one now. So yeah, Helen. Hope you all enjoyed my Helen last night, this morning. But yeah, she's landed safely in Seattle now, so I'm happy. Peace of mind that she's there. But 2 weeks, and she'll be actually no, she'll be this side of May, snuggled up in bed, so I get to see her. So I'm quite happy. She's actually drunk at the minute, surprisingly. Just been speaking to her on MSN with some Josh. So, hi Helen, hi Josh. Hope you're having a good time. So yeah, Monday's update. Not really much to report on that I want to talk about. Something happened today that sort of expected really, but still not. No, I'm not gonna go into it. Some of you know, some of you don't, but ah well. So yeah, I didn't go into college today, which is a bit of a naughty, but I wasn't feeling up to it, so I thought I'm not going in. But even though I've had no sleep today, I'm still going in, so I need to get up in a bit, like I said, in about 15-20 minutes. So probably I'll be up and ready before this is up and loaded. But yeah, I went to Tesco today, bought some stuff. The woman didn't actually scan one of my things. It was like the most expensive thing, so I got free shit from Tesco. So cheers, Tesco lady. So yeah, saved myself what, nearly £7. So not too fussy. What else? Oh, Glee was back on tonight. TV is actually quite good tonight. So yeah, Glee was on. I'm very happy Glee was back on. I'm a bit of it, not a gleek, but I love it. It makes me happy. It's like 45 minutes once a week, where it's just happy mood. No matter what's going on, it's just put my Glee on and I'm happy. Also, Shameless is back on tonight. Not the biggest Shameless fan. Sort of got into it the last two series, but tonight, well, yesterday's, it was just a little bit too weird. It was just the no, um, no, I don't think I'll watch it this series. But also, One Born Every Minute was on. It's about people having babies. For those of you that don't know, I'm currently at college doing an access course, and then hopefully next year, I will upgrade. Is that the word? It's nearly 7 a.m. I've not slept. My brain's just anyway. I'm doing the access to nursing and midwifery, and then hopefully in 2012, or doing well, I would have gotten at uni and would be studying to be a midwife. So it's quite fun to watch. There's one born every minute. So yeah, any little babies on it. Little ones. Oh, but no. Get broody, but then like when it's finished, it's like right, broodiness has stopped. So it's all good. I've not really done much today. Spent most of the evening on the internet, chatting away to people. A random chance chatting, should I say, to a certain someone. So he doesn't go on it that often, but we were chatting for quite a while, so yeah, it was good times. He also likes Glee. Showed me quite a cool Prince video as well, which I've actually liked. Possibly my favourites as well. If not, I'll find it and put it in my favourites because I think you should all watch it because it is absolutely amazing. Um, yeah, I'm going to do quite shameless link in a minute, but I think you all should just check it out because it's actually quite cool. I've not really done much on my profile yet, but I'll do that some other time. But I've not figured out how to put actual links on yet, so I thought I'd do it old school. So www.fanwebsite.co.uk. But we all need to smile, even when we're not feeling good. We need to smile. Smiles make people happy, and then if one person's happy, then someone else will be happy. Best thing in life for free. So, yeah. Also, quick shout out because I'm really lazy and I'm house trained, but I'm not that well house trained. My light bulb in my bedroom's gone, so I apologise for the light. So if anybody wants to come around my house and fix my light bulb, then greatly appreciated because it's my bed's like right underneath it. And last time I stood on my bed, I fell off and dislocated my knee. So I don't really fancy doing that again. So if anybody wants to come around and fix my light bulb, other things need fixing still to a certain people, to a certain person, but we will fix that. Been over a year now, and we still need to fix it. They know who they are. So yeah. Oh, also, I've decided this year I want to learn how to play the guitar. So if anyone wants to come around and give me a guitar lesson for free, then come round, email me. Maybe not weirdos and that, have to sort of know them. But anything that have like kind of short fingers. So I think I can play. I just yeah. So yeah, come round people. Oh no, not like that. But yeah, I need someone to fix my light bulb and teach me to play the guitar. And also I'm feeling a bit down at the minute, so if you just want to come round, cheer me up and give me a hug, then it's all good. But yeah, like I said, it's now about 10 to 7, so I'm just gonna chill out for 20 minutes. Then get up and get ready for college, so yeah, it's gonna be a long day today. But carvery Tuesday, all those girls are off to the manor at lunch for a carvery, so that's all good. And then just chill out tomorrow night, I think. So possibly do another one tomorrow. So I'm going to go now, but yeah, hope you're all well, and I will see you soon. So see you soon. Bye.